Guy sleeps with a 15-year-old girl. Terrible, right? Rewind 200 years. 40-year-old guy sleeps with a 15-year-old girl. 100% normal, right? How is it trauma now and not trauma then? So if it's traumatic in one instance and not traumatic in another, then it means that we can basically change the cultural narrative that we're ascribing to our context and make it not traumatic, which means it didn't matter. Which means the only thing that matters is that you chose to make it meaningful.
When a public figure says things like, back then it wasn't trauma, what they are really doing is normalizing violence and minimizing human pain. Calling abuse tradition, custom, or that's just how it was, does not make it any less harmful. It's the same dynamic we see in so many families. Authorities who downplay the experience of victims, and by doing so, perpetuate patterns of silence and suffering. Ignorance is passed down from generation to generation when we deny the real impact of what happened. Trauma doesn't disappear just because we label it normal. On the contrary, what remains unacknowledged is what gets inherited the most.